how to see how Nordy Club points becomes Nordstrom Notes. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do so, where to check the conversion and balances, and here's what you need to know and where to look. So first of all, we can visit the Nordstrom website, which is this one right here, and we can head over to our account dashboard. So in the top right corner, we can find an account option that we can click on, and once we click on it, it will pop up this page. Now here we can look out for the option called Nordy Club Rewards and tap on it. And once we tap on it, that should open up next page. And in this page right here, we can find a section with our current balance, pending and active Nordstrom notes, points needed until your next note is added. And that will directly show us how close we are to the next conversion. And we can just go and view it. You can even open up the Nordstrom or the Nordstrom Rack application and sign in with the same account tied to your Nordy Club membership. And in the app's rewards or the Nordy Club area, you'll be seeing your points, issued notes, and sometimes a progress tracker to your next notes. If nothing else works, you can directly contact their customer support as well and ask a cell associated in a Nordstrom to look out for your rewards info, and that way you can view your rewards info. Points don't have cash value and can be only converted into Nordstrom notes. You can't cash them out. If your points balance ever gets into negative, new points will be first offset that negative balance before earning towards the new notes. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.